it's not anybody's birthday, but this car was an amazing deal that we just could not walk away from. Daniel and I were car shopping for something that's a little bit more road mileage friendly, you know, something that we could use to get around to things that are locally in town and be a great gas mileage saver. But this vehicle, it actually, well, you'll see. All right, so somebody's getting them a gift today. It's obviously not me and it's not Daniel, but let's see who has a huge surprise. You ready? Oh, okay. There you are. So close your eyes.
Are you gonna guide me over there?
You already see it. Okay, it's somewhere in this area. I gotta back up. All right. I'm gonna wait. Oh, stop coming closer. Jesus. Okay. All right, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You like it? Yeah, you can't roll the windows down because it just got tinted. But it's your baby.
So when can I roll the windows down?
In
3 days.
he said Friday. So you can roll them down on Friday.
So that's why it means a
I
wash.
should drive around with the door.
It's not stuck to the car. No, it's just sitting up there. But I'll take a couple pictures of you. Why don't you get there in front of it in Mizell?
Wait, I need the keys.
They're in my pocket. Handing her the big keys. She's gonna bedazzle the car and get it however she wants it. Yes. Give me more. You like it? Do you want to come on the side and take a picture and then I get the bow right there? So it may seem like she's not that surprised or happy or excited, but it's because I forgot to record it when we actually gave it to her. So we had to do it all over again. And she's not a very good actress, but she was more than thrilled. She got just what she wanted. Don't forget to like, subscribe,
and hit that notification bell.
Until then, we're raising 9. See you next time.